You know, there's word of a tournament to be hosted by the tribe of the Whispering Trees.
Yeah, is that right?
Maces and talons. The winner, apparently, receives a life-size game set made of solid gold.
Oh, lucky him.
Poor dear Hiccup. Relationships can be complicated. Am I right? Then while I cannot put myself directly in your shoes, I can most surely empathize with your situation.
You can, huh?
Absolutely. To be in love with a girl who is your partner in battle? Whew. Not sure how I would balance such a precarious situation. It can certainly cloud the mind, impair judgment, make even the simplest decisions vexing.
You know what's vexing, Viggo? Is why you're rambling on trying to get inside my head. I would think that by now, you'd have given up. You see, I'm focused, I'm clear, decisive. What I am not is your friend, your ally, your maces and talons buddy. Okay, so let's leave our personal lives out of this and just get down to business.
Oh, I'm only trying to help.
Okay, well, if you want to help, why don't you tell me where we're going and what we're doing?
Stop, dragon!
Yeah, what's going on? There's nothing out here but empty ocean?
Yes, so it would appear.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Astrid!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the Thor?
I'm afraid you may have misinterpreted the situation.
No, I think I've interpreted it pretty well. Now drop it.
Exactly what I planned all along.
Yeah, right. I'm sure you did.
Give us a moment, Astrid, and all will be revealed, I assure you.